Since the landfall ng bagyo this morning, early morning sa Region 8, so far, based on reports we get from the field, 1,397 barangays have already been affected by this typhoon, no? Si Typhoon Tino, covering regions 5, MIMAROPA, 6, NIR 7, 8, and Caraga, no? Affecting a total of 102,000 families, no? Or close to 340,000 individuals, no? So yan po ang figures as we speak dito sa mga affected population. Now, in terms of casualty, based on initial reports from the field, meron na po kaming, but again, subject for validation, around 22 casualties, no? Karamihan sa Region 7, and meron ding reported missing 7 also sa Region 7, and 1 more from Region 8, yung nauna, and sa Capiz, no? Isa, and then dalawa sa NIR. So a total of 26. But again, we're still validating these figures as we speak kasi kakalabas lang nung sa Panay Island, no? So ongoing